Trump did end up speaking in court on the final day of his civil fraud trial, calling the proceedings here a fraud on me. He spoke after the judge barred him from giving a formal closing argument because he refused to follow the rules and refrained from turning a court address into a campaign speech. Now, Trump said during this brief address that he was an innocent man and was being persecuted, and he called the trial a political witch hunt. Trump's tirade went on for about 6 minutes before the judge cut him off. That was really the crescendo of Trump's defence. In closing arguments, his lawyers said that there was really no case against Trump and that Trump did nothing wrong. The New York Attorney General's counsel, Kevin Wallace, made a Watergate reference as he began his closing argument. What this trial is about, he said, is what did the defendants know and when? And then he underscored the argument that he's made all along in this trial, that the fraud committed by the defendants was intentional. Now, Judge Engoron has already ruled that Trump committed fraud, that he's liable for fraud, for fiddling bank statements and inflating his worth to get favourable loans and insurance policies. Now we wait for the verdict. Trump could be barred from the New York real estate business and face a fine of up to $370 million. Now, Trump also spoke on Thursday at 40 Wall Street. He addressed reporters there and he said that he would attend the E. Jean Carroll defamation trial in person. That's set to start next week. Well, you might think that all of this would dent Trump's popularity, but actually his campaign has embraced his legal woes as part of their strategy, and that appears to have worked with many of his supporters.